Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and we are back after a long time. I was actually busy for some project stuff, but today we have with us the Jakmister 600 watt 70 miles per hour electric air blower duster cleaner slash vacuum cleaner. Oh my god, that's a big name, right? So this is a new product that I bought from Amazon, and I bought this for 710 rupees. So let's quickly unbox this. So it comes in this nice gray box, which seems quality Amazon packaging, and inside that we have another box, which is the Jakmister box. Now this box seems to be very basic, as you can see, and let me just take it off. So here we have the Jakmister air duster blower box. Comes in a nice red box. There is no seal, and it says air blower, high powered blower, and this seems to be in the red color, and again it have make in India. Amazing. Now again, 710 rupees is a pretty good deal, I would say. I was actually looking for a battery one, but then I thought they are too expensive, and again this will be more powerful. So this is around 600 watts, and you get this pipe and a nice blue color of air blower. I'm pretty happy I got the blue color because I didn't like the red color, and there's no option to select whether you want red or blue, so it actually randomly appears to you, so based on your luck. But again, I got the blue one. So you can see 220 watts, 50 hertz, 15,000 R per minute RPM. This is like amazing. So it's very powerful, it seems. You also have an intake, you have an airbag where the dust is collected, and you have something inside. Now this is the basically the nozzle to collect the dust or to blow the air, of course. Now this is kind of a warranty or something like that, which is sadly teared down, which is a bad experience, I would say. So there was no seal, and this is teared down. It says that you can use this as a vacuum cleaner as well, and it has the instruction manual how to use it, which we will read, and we will set up this and will share with you my initial impressions. Now again, it has 6 months of warranty, and it says that this is not the right way to put in, but actually this is what they show in the Amazon page, which is very weird. If it's not the right way, they shouldn't show this. And you have 6 months of warranty. You can call on the store free number to claim your warranty, and again you have Amazon replacement, 7-day replacement as well, so if anything goes wrong you are safe. And there you have it. Nothing inside the box, pretty basic packaging, but again we can't really complain for 710 rupees. Maybe they could improve it, but yeah.
One eternity later.
So guys, it's 1.5 weeks since I bought this blower, and I've used it 2 times. So one time to test it whether it's working or not during the video, and the second time I used to clean my mining rig, and I was surprised with the results. So my mining rig was running at 60 degrees Celsius. I mean, the graphics card temperature was 60 degrees Celsius. I just used this for 1 to 2 minutes, like just randomly cleaning it, like not deep cleaning or something like that. And guess what? When I checked the temperatures back, it was 50 degrees, so 10 degrees cooler just by blowing the air. And that's mainly because of all the dust that the fan and the heatsink has, and this clearly blows it up, which make it much cooler. So this is great for server cleaning or mining rig cleaning or your PC cleaning, but again this is a multi-purpose thing, so you can use it to clean your windows, to clean your appliances and other stuff. Now this is very powerful. So as you can see, it's 600 watts, and 220 watts is 50 hertz. It makes a lot of noise, so let's see the demo today. So first of all, I need to show you 2 things. So it comes with this this bag and this blower tip. So it has a vacuum mode as well, which is a feature, but I would say the vacuum mode is kind of useless, because it's actually a blower, so it blows air from here, but because it's blowing air, it also sucks in from this side, but then it's not that powerful. So if you want to use the vacuum mode, you need to connect this tip here, and you connect this bag right here. So as you can see, like this. and now it will blow air inside this bag and it will suck the air in from, but it's not that powerful. I find it pretty useless. For minor dust it's good, but something which is stuck, it's kind of useless, guys. So I won't suggest you to use this. I suggest use blower, but again it's good to have. Like, there's a 150 rupees of difference between just the blower and the vacuum and blower, so why not just have it, just in case it's a minor dust you wanted to take out which is not reachable. So for blower mode, all you have to do is just connect this to the top from this side. That's it. I mean, this is ready. And so it also has this kind of a lock which you can just press it, so it continuously turns on. Okay, so you have this lock. So guys, this is not working. It was working earlier, so I just locked in. It did work, but it's not working now. So I think this is kind of a quality control issue, but that's fine because I'm not using it continuously. I have this plug which I will connect to the extension because the cord is not that huge. So yeah, the cord length might be an issue for some people, so I would suggest to have kind of an extension or something so that you can just connect to it and blow air in whatever device which is suitable to you. Let's turn this on. So we're going to test live right now, as you can see. So let's turn off my mining rig first. Now we're going to blow air. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So you can hear the noise as well. So yeah, you can see the dust. Now I'm not continuously blowing the air because it kind of smells bad, like kind of a burning sound, because it's too powerful, I guess, because it's a new motor. So I do it intermittently. As you can see, the fans are spinning properly. You can see the dust coming out. It's very powerful, guys. So that's it. Let's see the temperatures on my mining rig right now.
A few moments later.
So guys, the mining rig is running now. It's up and running for a minute or something like that. As you can see, it says 53 seconds, so almost a minute. Again, 2 minutes ago. So yeah, it's running at full speed, and the temperatures you can see here is 49 degrees Celsius, which is just mind-blowing. It's 48, guys. So again, so from 53 to 48 by just blowing the air, the dust went off of the graphics card as well as the heatsink, so it's much cooler now. And even like running for 24 hours, it can go up to 50, I would say, but not more than that. So I think my investment of 710 rupees to this was successful, and I can use this for cleaning ACs as well, which will make it much cooler, as well as dust from windows and everything. It's very useful, guys. The vacuum thing, I'm not sure, I won't use it, but it's good to have it. Like, there's 100 rupees difference between the only vacuum one and the only blower one, so why not have it? So now again, I think blue looks cooler, but the red one is also nice. Now this lock button is probably not working for me for some reason. So now there is no blow button here, as you can see. It's kind of a misleading, but there's this lock button which surprisingly was not working for me. So I'm not sure why. It worked the first time, but then it's not working. So you just press it, you just lock it, and it should continuously blow air. But I won't recommend that because this is really powerful. So it's good to have like blow it intermittently, so you don't just fall things off. So that's pretty much for this video. Buying links will be in the video description. And again, if you want a full review, maybe after 6 months something, because it has only 6 months of warranty, and this is something which you might regularly buy. So check the links in the video description. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.